Hidden yet not isolated completely, this lakeside home feels like a quiet secret. From the stunning tea pavilion to the living room opening up to breathtaking views, every corner invites you to slow down. Today's episode, let us review a discovery of how this old, forgotten house was transformed from this to this, a serene lakeside sanctuary. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related contents. Although Design Seed has explored Guangzhou before, this visit felt different. As if we had crossed into another world. We discovered Aranya, a quiet haven that feels almost like a hidden corner of Europe. Serene, timeless, and unlike anywhere else in China. Nestled within this enchanting city, this home strikes a rare balance between city life and lakeside retreat. The most beautiful spot in this home lies just outside at the ground floor. A tranquil tea pavilion that opens directly to the lake. In front of it, a serene swimming pool stretches towards the horizon, blurring lines between the pool and the lake.
Stepping outward, you'll notice a gently sloping lawn that follows the original topography of the site. We once considered filling it in to create a larger flat garden, but ultimately we chose to respect the natural contours, allowing an organic form to emerge. I believe this approach aligns far more closely with our original vision and philosophy for the project. Further out, you'll see the small black timber cabin. It frames the view perfectly, drawing the eye to a moment frozen in time. It works like the viewfinder of a camera, cropping out any surrounding visual noise and focusing purely on the essence.
From this side, the black facade of the top floor creates a smaller impression and helps it blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. On the street-facing side, the home's white facade exudes the elegance of a Spanish Revival villa, softened by welcoming greenery. The entrance opens into a stark minimalist space. A casual lounge provides a welcoming transition towards the inner sanctums of the home.
The atmosphere here differs from the city because this house was conceived together with the client as an urban holiday retreat, a place for the whole family to truly unwind. So the focus is on experiencing each day from sunrise through noon and afternoon to sunset and nightfall. That's why every space is planned around the path of light. In the past, people wanted to possess as much enclosed space as possible, so they sacrificed courtyards and natural light on lower levels, making everything dark and rather oppressive, quite uncomfortable. But the transformation here was dramatic. During demolition and redesign, we went through 3 or 4 major iterations. Finally, on this level and in relation to the floors above,
the living room is the true heart of this retreat, featuring a generous double-height space with floor-to-ceiling windows. Here, spaces borrow the scenery of the surrounding lake and mountains, turning every window into a living painting. With minimalist and white interiors, nature takes center stage. The dining area is thoughtfully positioned, surrounded by stunning views. A long hallway cleverly doubles as a pantry, leading seamlessly to a spacious kitchen. Even the gym is designed with nature in its mind, turning every workout into moments of calm.
At the corner, two full walls of glass. One side faces a dense grove, the other opens toward the expansive lake, creating a beautiful shift between stillness and vastness. We wanted to give it a truly special location and atmosphere within the home. In every room and every zone, you can see the lake or be surrounded by lush vegetation. The connection with nature is constant, always present. Inside, a strong vertical axis ties the entire architecture together.
On the first floor, an open living and dining area unfolds. The living areas seamlessly extend onto a balcony, blending indoor and outdoor living.
On the first floor, we also have two guest rooms connected by a small secondary living area. The guest rooms open directly onto the large garden, linking seamlessly with the breakfast zone and outdoor spaces. Everything feels grounded in direct contact with the earth and the landscape in the most immediate way.
On the top floor, a cozy lounge teases the entry to the rooms.
The material choices preserve the raw, tactile quality of each surface. Touch is incredibly important. It might be rough, it might even graze the skin, but it belongs to nature. I believe we should embrace these textures. To truly connect and be embraced by nature is something we should have the courage to experience.
The master bedroom offers an intimate atmosphere with a balcony inviting in scenic views. With a minimalist layout, the room keeps the focus on light and nature. The walk-in wardrobe blends seamlessly with the bedroom palettes. The master bathroom stretches in a long layout, ending in a shower room that opens to a private garden, creating a connection to nature in the home's most personal spaces. Opening to a balcony, the second bedroom offers a quiet retreat. A layout separating the bed from the walk-in wardrobe dedicates the room to rest and calm. On the same floor, a cozy study overlooks lush greenery, offering a peaceful corner for reading or reflection.
People today, I feel, are gradually losing something essential. Overwhelmed by information, we rarely pause to truly sense our surroundings or ourselves. That sensitivity is fading. Our material palette is deliberately simple, yet never monotonous. It avoids monotony because of the relationship between space, light, and material that creates ever-changing pictures. Pictures not controlled by the designer, but by anyone who inhabits the space. When you become aware and truly perceive it, that's when the real experience begins, and you can fully inhabit it.
Each space in this home flows in harmony with nature, and it is within this gentle embrace that the home finds its rhythm. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.